Okay, reflections. Okay. So let's say we have this case first. Okay. We have a negative A. Okay, so remember A is just a number. So like -2, -3, -1/2, whatever. Okay, so play the game with me real quick. Is the A, and you can, I have to scroll up, but you just gotta look at your paper. Is the A inside or outside? Outside. Who else is outside? X or Y? Y. So this is gonna affect the Y, okay? Now let me show you how it works, okay? Let's picture one of our parent functions like a parabola. That's the original one, right? The parent function. The original parabola, what type of y's does it have? Positive or negative? It's positive, right? So check this out. Walk with me. What is the A doing right there in the formula? Is it adding or multiplying? It's adding? Multiplying, right? A times, you agree? Okay. So the A is multiplying. No, stay with me. So that negative is gonna multiply times the y's. You told me these y's were what? Positive. So what happens when you multiply a negative times a positive? Negative. Okay, so it's gonna take all those positive y's and make them negative. So visually speaking, this is what it's gonna do. Instead of going towards the positive y's, it's gonna go towards the negative y's now. Which, like, just in simple words, you just say it flipped, right? It just flips upside down. But now you understand why. Why is it flipping upside down? It's because the y's turn negative, okay? And so we call that a reflection over, what did it spin around? The x-axis. Okay, so we say x-axis. It spun around the x-axis. So it spun like this. Does that make sense so far? Okay. Now the other scenario is we could have a negative B. And I know just by deductive reasoning, by common sense, if that one's a reflection on the x-axis, what is this one gonna be? Reflection on the y-axis. But I'm gonna prove it to you. Okay, I'm gonna prove it to you. It is true, but I'm gonna show you how it's true. You gotta play with me, play the game. Is B inside or outside?
Inside.
Who's inside, X or Y? X, look carefully, it's a X. Right, it's inside of the brackets. So, is that B being, is it plus something or times something? Look at the formula. Times, it's timesing, okay? So I'm gonna times a negative times the x's. Now on this shape, you can't see it because if I have positive x's and you multiply by negative, but is there a change in the shape? No, so it looks the same. So I'm gonna give you a different shape so you can see the difference. Let's try a square root. Okay, that square root has positive x's, you agree? So let's multiply those x's by a negative. Negative times the positive is negative. So it's going to take all those negative or positive x's and now make them negative. And that's why it's a reflection on the y. It made it spin around the y. You notice what I'm doing, guys? The difference? I'm not just telling you it's a reflection on the x. I'm telling you why it is what it is. Does that make sense? It's much more deeper understanding than if I were to just tell you what it does. Any questions so far? Okay.